Apple is gearing up to launch the iPhone SE 4, and it's packed with major upgrades that could make it the most exciting budget iPhone yet. Set to be unveiled in the coming days. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to hit stores on February 28, 2025, with pre-orders starting as early as February 21st. This new model marks a significant shift in Apple's strategy, offering modern features at an affordable price. One of the biggest changes is the 6.1-inch display, a massive upgrade from the 4.7-inch screen on the previous model. This brings the SE 4 in line with Apple's flagship iPhones, like the iPhone 15 and 16 series. Under the hood, the SE 4 will feature the powerful A18 chip, the same processor found in the iPhone 16, complete with Apple Intelligence, a suite of AI-driven features previously reserved for premium models. The design also gets a refresh, with an all-screen front and Face ID, replacing the traditional home button. While it retains a single rear camera, it's expected to be more advanced than the iPhone 14's camera. Another major update is the switch from Apple's Lightning port to USB-C, making the SE 4 more compatible with modern accessories and European regulations. Priced at around $500, the iPhone SE 4 is set to be a game-changer for budget-conscious users. Are you excited about this launch? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates from Techverse. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.